Shh! Man, I can't find these suckers anywhere. Where they hiding? What the hell's that? Oh,
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this LBLA radio controlled military truck with built-in camera and FPV real-time transmission. Outside the box there are just a few images of the truck itself, with a few specs on the outside too. Inside, the truck itself comes very well packaged. We have an informative instruction manual and setup guide. We have a product support card, 4 rubber swappable wheels, and 4 very tiny screws. You'll see we've got the Wi-Fi suite and HD camera, 1 USB charging cable with screwdriver, the truck itself which looks real nice. Wow, I just love those crawler wheel tracks. Lastly, we've got the remote control, which takes 2 AA batteries, and these batteries, unfortunately, are not included. Well, what is included? Under the hood we have a 6V 700mAh rechargeable battery, which has to be took out each time to charge via the USB cable supplied. After 2 hours full charge, this should give you 25 minutes use. This vehicle weighs around 1.4 kilograms. The size is 34 centimeters, 18.5 centimeters, and 13.8 centimeters. Underneath there's an on-off switch, real-time transmission, full suspension system which should help with stabilisation on most terrains. And I must say the detail of the actual truck looks fantastic with the working LED headlights, and I just love the detail of the little pull cord here to the front. Nope, it doesn't work, it's just for show. Hooking up the camera is real easy, you just simply click it into place just here. Through this 480p HD camera, you will be able to make use of the 2-way control system. You can either use the existing remote control supplied, using the trigger for back and forth movement, with the clicking side wheel used for turning. The phone stand supplied also clicks onto the top of the remote control, and this enables you to control the military truck through an added app control on your device. So yeah, you can watch through real-time video, and if you're not using your phone, simply replace the phone stand with this plastic antenna. This truck has a 2.4 GHz powerful motor and transmitter. It can work from up to 50 meters, and it can carry the weight of 3 kilograms, just like so. This RC vehicle works great on all terrains, like grassland, muddy trails, gravel, even large stones. And I say that's certainly down to the gravity sensing function, which also helps give a solid performance on inclines too. Swapping out the crawler tracks with the 4 rubber wheels is straightforward. Simply release the screws with a small screwdriver supplied, release the tracks, fasten back into place the wheels, and there you go. These 4 rubber wheels gives the military truck more speed and movement. Full function control is a breeze with both controllers, although personally I prefer the app function. Oh, and the beeping sound effects. They are great at first, but can be a tad bit annoying after long use. Overall, after 3 days using this military vehicle, I'd say it's been a lot of fun. My kids certainly had loads of fun for sure. The truck really feels well built and looks like a real professional RC vehicle. I think it would be a great gift for any kid, especially as it has that HD camera function. Although parents might not like that aspect of it. You know, you might want to keep an eye on what they're spying on. So it's about that time. Once again, what am I going to give this LBLA RC military vehicle a rating out of 10? Well, drum rolls please! Well, after long thought, I think I've got to give this vehicle 8 out of 10. I gave this product an 8 today, as I would have loved to have seen more speed. It pretty much goes at normal pace. Although it was good on most surfaces, the truck did find it hard on some snow surfaces. I also think it would have been handy to include a simple USB port for charging, rather than take the battery out each time for recharging, as this front cover lid can sometimes be a bit stiff to open. Now guys, I've gone ahead and linked this truck in the video description down below, where you'll be able to pick up this RC truck from £70. That's 92 in US dollars. So yeah, go over, have a look, and go get yours. While you're there, go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button. Please guys, go ahead and subscribe right now. Not forgetting to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Go over and check my other videos out just now. I'll leave 2 more at the end of this one. And well dudes, I hope this review helped today. Thank you so much for watching, and peace!